We're going to need ginger snap, digestive biscuits, cream cheese, pumpkin puree, red food coloring, white chocolate, cinnamon and icing sugar. Roll your biscuits into a food processor. Add your cream cheese into a bowl. Add your cinnamon. Add your icing sugar. Add your pumpkin puree. Add your cookies. Give it a good mix until it's nice and smooth. Now add your melted white chocolate and mix again. The next thing I'm going to do, I've taken out my mixture from the fridge and we're going to roll nice big balls. So just take it into your hand and it might still be quite sticky. So just like that. And we're going to place it into our melted white chocolate. Coat it around.